Cryptocurrency trading has rapidly gained popularity, attracting both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. For those just starting out, the world of crypto can seem complex and fast-paced. This guide is designed to help beginners navigate the basics of trading digital assets, offering clear explanations and practical advice. You can expect to learn about essential concepts, common strategies, and important risks associated with crypto trading. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation to make informed decisions and confidently explore the opportunities within the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use cryptography for secure transactions and operate independently of traditional banks. At the heart of most cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records transactions across a network of computers, ensuring transparency and security. This innovation has enabled the creation of thousands of digital coins, each with unique features and purposes. Crypto trading has surged in popularity due to its potential for high returns, 24/7 market access, and the ability to trade globally without intermediaries. Additionally, the volatility of cryptocurrency prices attracts both seasoned investors and newcomers looking for opportunities. As blockchain continues to evolve, it shapes not only financial markets but also industries ranging from supply chain management to digital identity. Crypto assets come in several distinct forms, each serving unique purposes within the digital economy. Coins, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, operate on their own independent blockchains and are primarily used as digital currencies or stores of value. Tokens, on the other hand, are built on existing blockchains and can represent a wide range of assets, including utility tokens for accessing services or governance tokens for voting on project decisions. Stablecoins are a special category of tokens designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar. This stability makes them useful for transactions and as a safeguard against market volatility. Understanding these differences is essential for navigating the diverse landscape of crypto assets. Selecting a reliable crypto exchange is a crucial first step for anyone interested in trading digital assets. Begin by researching exchanges with strong reputations, transparent fee structures, and robust security measures, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage for funds. Look for platforms that comply with regulatory standards and offer responsive customer support. Once you've chosen an exchange, carefully follow the registration process using a unique, strong password and enabling all available security features. Verify your identity as required and consider setting up additional protections like withdrawal whitelists. By taking these precautions, you can help safeguard your account and trade with greater confidence. To begin, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Start by navigating to the deposit section of your chosen crypto platform. Here, you can select your preferred payment method such as bank transfer, credit card, or another supported option. Follow the prompts to enter the required details and confirm your deposit. Once your funds are available, browse the list of cryptocurrencies and select the one you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and review the transaction details carefully. When you're ready, confirm the purchase, and your new crypto assets will appear in your account. Understanding basic trading strategies is essential for anyone entering the financial markets. Market orders are the simplest type, allowing traders to buy or sell assets instantly at the current market price. Limit orders, on the other hand, enable traders to set a specific price at which they wish to buy or sell, providing more control over the transaction. Stop losses are a risk management tool designed to automatically sell an asset when its price drops to a predetermined level, helping traders minimize potential losses. By mastering these fundamental techniques, traders can make more informed decisions and better manage their positions in the market. Managing risk is a crucial part of any financial strategy. Start by diversifying your investments to reduce exposure to any single asset or sector. Protecting your assets often means using secure accounts, keeping thorough records, and considering insurance where appropriate. Avoid common beginner mistakes, such as investing more than you can afford to lose, neglecting to research opportunities, or making decisions based on emotions rather than facts. Regularly review your portfolio and stay informed about market trends to make adjustments as needed. By taking these steps, you can build a more resilient financial foundation and minimize potential setbacks. Effectively tracking your portfolio is essential for understanding your financial position and making informed decisions. Start by regularly reviewing the performance of your investments, noting changes in value and any patterns that emerge over time. Analyzing market trends can help you anticipate shifts and identify opportunities or risks. Simple tools such as portfolio trackers, stock screeners, and news aggregators can streamline this process, providing real-time data and insights. By combining these resources, you can make more strategic trading decisions and respond proactively to market developments. Consistent monitoring and analysis empower you to adjust your strategy as needed, helping you stay aligned with your investment goals. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency, staying informed is essential. New technologies, regulations, and market trends emerge constantly, making ongoing learning a crucial part of success. By keeping up with the latest news, investors and enthusiasts can make better decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Reliable sources and regular updates help individuals stay ahead of scams, security threats, and sudden market shifts. Continuous education also opens doors to new opportunities, such as innovative projects or investment strategies. In this dynamic environment, knowledge truly is power. Embarking on your crypto trading journey can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right knowledge and a thoughtful approach, it becomes much more manageable. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and the most important step is simply to get started. Take time to research, practice with small amounts, and learn from each experience. The world of cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities for those willing to learn and adapt. Stay patient, remain cautious, and trust in your ability to grow. With confidence and persistence, you can navigate the world of crypto trading successfully.